Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create Facebook account. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Feeling inspired to set up a Facebook? Here's how to get you started. Facebook is a social networking site that is super easy to sign up for and use. Facebook can be used to post pictures, share articles, join groups, and connect with friends. The setup process differs slightly depending on whether you do this on desktop or through the mobile app. But we'll let you how to do it, how to create a Facebook account on your phone. So first of all, of course, we have to download Facebook first on our phone. You can download it on your Play Store or your Facebook's App Store. You can download and install. Now you can open your Facebook app. You can create new account. You can create account with Instagram. So use login info from Instagram to quickly create your Facebook account, or you can create account manually. I want to create account manually. Tap on get started. You can add your first name. For the example, I will just use this name. Now you can tap on next. You can select your name. You can use a different name, recommended name from Facebook. Now you can tap on next. You can add your birth date. Tap on set. Tap on next. You can choose your gender. Tap on next. You can add your phone number here, or you can sign up with email. I will using my email. Now tap on next. You can create password for your Facebook. Tap on next. And tap on save. Tap on agree to Facebook terms and policies. We can wait. Still loading. You can add picture to your profile, but I will just skip this step. And now here's your Facebook account. You can update your status, photos, and video, and send message without data chart. You can tap on continue. So here's your Facebook account. You can now find friends and connect with your friends on Facebook. So that is how to create Facebook account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So thank you and see you.